Hello there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, your mentor in computer programming. This is in my channel, Jake Pomperada. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a very simple Java program to demonstrate the for each looping statement. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started, guys. So I'm here with my Eclipse IDE. So I have several programs already. So we go to default package, right click new, and then select class, and then we have here for each. Now the technique here that I would like to advise anyone that are very new in the Eclipse IDE is to select this, check this checkbox, the public static void main. By doing so, it will create the blueprint that there is already a command here in your class. It will be automatically generated by Eclipse itself. Click the finish button. Now here we have already the class. So let's start writing some codes. Int, I will display R. Let's say for example enumerated array equals 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, array. We will go here to borrow some codes. Paste for each loop in Java. Here we can declare for int x colon array. Begin. System out point print the x copy this one slash t in here to end the program. Okay, see, very simple. I enumerate a value here 1 2 3 4 5 stored in one-dimensional array with a variable, the word array, and then we have here for x array, and then display the result. The next step that we will do, guys, is to run the program. See, we can see the result 1 2 3 4 5, but the problem is here. Maybe we can copy and then paste this code, run again the code. Big problem. Spacing again. Okay. Let's try one shot again. Okay, so we have done writing the code. sorry. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have done already, guys, demonstrating how to declare and use for each statement in Java. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.